Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Shopify with eBay. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here in the bottom, you're going to find apps. So basically guys, right now, in order to connect Shopify to eBay, first of all, go ahead and click on add apps. And then once here, just go to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. And then we're going to be redirected to this page right here. So once here in the App Store, just go to the top. Go ahead and click on the search bar and then search for eBay. Once you do that, hit enter. And then you're going to find all of these applications that will help you to integrate eBay with Shopify. So just go ahead and choose one of these applications. So I'm going to choose this one, eBay integration by DPL. Give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the application page. So once you're here in this page, just go ahead and click on install right here. And once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just click on install. I clicked on cancel. So we're going to click on install again. Click on install right here and then just wait for it to load. So basically guys, once you install it, it's going to be added here to your navigation. If you want to pin it, you can pin it from here. As you can see guys, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. And right now, as you can see guys, in order to be able to integrate eBay with your Shopify, you need to get a plan, or you can also start a 7 days free trial if you want. And then you're going to be able to integrate eBay with your Shopify store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.